Hello, my friends. I've been wanting to make a YouTube video past couple days, but I haven't really. My mind is all over the place per usual, so I can't decide on one thing to make a video about. So this is going to be a mess, or it's not, depending on your perspective. But yeah, this is just gonna probably just be a random collection of things from today. Enjoy. To begin this, I'm going to make some coffee. It's about that time. So for making coffee, oh dicks, I think my water boiler is not working, so that's a fun turn of events. Let me check if it's plugged in. All right, I'm back. The water boiled. I picked up the jug of boiling water and poured some onto the ground on accident, so I just cleaned that up. And now I'm gonna put water and coffee in my French press, and then I'm gonna wait, and then I'm gonna press it. This is a great French press tutorial for anyone who's lazy. Great video title idea. I have my vanilla coffee from Trader Joe's because I'm a vanilla ass bee. I don't know how to, I'm filming my face right now. Maybe I should be filming the coffee. So, actually, quick French press tutorial for lazy people. Pour the coffee in. About like, maybe a little more than that. Make sure that you spill some on your table or else, yeah, that's a good amount. And then, without even waiting for the water to cool down, so you have the chance of burning it, it adds an extra level of uncertainty to your day. Just pour the water in. And now I'm gonna stir it up with my chopstick. Now I wait a few minutes, and the amount of time I wait depends on how much of a rush I'm in, how impatient I'm feeling, how badly I want the coffee, or whether or not I forget about the fact that I have coffee brewing. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay. Here we are. I just needed to give you guys a quick update that this is an extremely cute cup that I'm gonna be drinking my coffee out of. It's got vegetables. Great. Yeah, I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. All right, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna stir my coffee again. With my chopstick. Now I have a dirty chopstick. And then, let me flip the camera around for the fun part. Whoa. Pressing the French out of this coffee. All right, it has been pressed. Oh yeah, look at that cup of joe. As you can see, I've made a mess, which is something that I do. But you know what? There's no mess that can't be cleaned up, right? Am I right? I hope I'm right. I'm recording this on my phone right now, but I have a life-proof case on usually. So it is very nerve-wracking filming videos without this case on. In the past, have taken my case off for like 5 minutes and shattered my screen, and that's happened to me twice. So just know that there's an element of danger going into this, and you should appreciate it. My face looks like so shiny. What are you doing? As I was making this coffee, decided what video I want to make today, which is going to be fall favorites, because that's something I can do that's still pretty disorganized, but seems organized because it's a bunch of random stuff. But I changed. I was hot. Now I'm not. To start this off, I will announce that I have a new member of my family. I'm actually a crazy person. This is Adrian. It's just a meditating skeleton. She did not come with the flower crown or the pump or the gourd, but she came like this. Decorated her. I'm actually knitting her a scarf right now, so she'll be a little bit warmer. But she's one of my new favorites. Maybe she can sit right here. Yeah. Favorite number one is her. Also, these tiny little pumpkins, got them as soon as I saw them at the store. This is a nail polish. I wanted an orange nail polish last year and I never got one. So I got it this year and have it on my toes right now. Maybe I should have it on my fingers too for this video. I'll be right back. I did it. Obviously, I'm not a professional. This color is called It's a Piazza Cake. So funny. More coffee. Fall favorite number 2 is this kombucha. This has apple, turmeric, carrot, and spices, and I had it last year, and I had so many of them last year, and this is seasonal. And then it went away, and I was sad, but I saw it yesterday, and I got it again, and it's so good. It's so good. With my family. Fall favorite number 17 is this hat. What would I do without it? Yeah, I've had this hat since I was a wee lad, and it's making a comeback this year. Fall favorite number 18 is this scarf. I'm so proud of it. I knitted it and I finished it. I just finished it like 2 days ago, but like, look how, oh my gosh, fashion, oh my gosh. To add to this favorite train, this jacket from Target. It has bats on it. I got it in the little boys section for $17. It's got bats on it. And it's just like a nice jacket. Isn't it, Elijah? Isn't it, Adrian? But yeah, he just swallowed his pumpkin. He was a hungry boy. Here we are. Ooh, here's another thing. I got a pumpkin candle. It smells a little spicy, but it's not like overpoweringly sweet, which I like. Ooh, okay. So don't judge me immediately, but fall favorites, Harry Potter series, Game of Thrones. I've read them both through. I'm not a weirdo that's like, my whole life is Harry Potter, but I read it about once a year, fall time. It's nostalgic for me. It's fun. I read to just disappoint myself that I'm never gonna be able to finish the series because he's never gonna finish the books. I'm getting really hot. These are both books that the Game of Thrones books reminds me of fall, winter, this time, this change in the weather. And then Harry Potter begins in September, I believe. So they're just fun to read. I get little sprinkles of the seasons throughout. So I'm reading the second of both of these series right now, actually. And I'm reading 3 other books, which that's another story. I'm back. Another fall favorite is knitting. I don't like knitting during the summer. It's like, I don't like anything during the summer. But yeah, it's just like, but yeah, knitting while watching fall movies, shows, horror movies. I want to see Hereditary. I haven't seen that, but I've heard. I loved The Witch, which is by the same producer. I guess I'm just gonna keep talking and knitting while I think if I have any other stuff. Okay, but yeah, let me know if you liked this video. Let me know if you hated it, please. I would love to hear why you hated it. And subscribe to me if you think that it will be worth your while. Elijah will be here. Adrian will probably be in some of my videos. She's a little bit shy, so maybe not all of them. Like Elijah seems to love the spotlight. We'll be here most likely every week until we die. I hope you enjoyed what this video turned into. I don't know how to say goodbye ever, so yeah, goodbye. Adrian, you are a little angel girl. You are my little angel squirrel.